I am Bhumika Batra, organizing a short-term course on SPSS basics for beginners, where I'm going to discuss about the SPSS interface, how to avoid the mistakes while choosing the type of variables, how to enter the data, sort, remove and edit the data, and how to compute values after transforming the data. This course is designed for the PhDs, the research scholars, for the master's students who are doing the thesis writing and the dissertation or some projects, for research analysts, and also the people who have keen interest in learning the data analysis in SPSS. The link for the video will be distributed among the participants. The participants who will be registering themselves will be sending their basic details on the number or email address mentioned in the brochure by paying the nominal charge for this course. I hope to have the great response for this course.